Hey gang, RV Jerry here. And I have this Shasta I've been stripping the paint off. I've now got the inside all cleaned out. All this stuff, all this wood is from a rebuild like, I don't know, probably 13 years ago or longer. Anyway, we're gonna rebuild this. We're not gonna rebuild it. I like the term AZ Tech used, and reimagine. So this used to be a refrigerator frame. Got that off. Somebody's probably looking for that. And we got to look at what we have here. We have a piece of wood. I guess it's sort of like a frame. And the other side, let me turn the light on so you can see some of this stuff. Light. Well, it's on. Let's see if we can see inside there. Yeah, we can see a little bit. And the question is to take all of this off or to leave it on and patch it. Or should I just order this whole side for this little Shasta? Maybe all of it. Maybe the front side. Yeah, I'm not sure. Original door. That was a great characteristic of it, but you can tell it's needs to be replaced. This is pretty bad. This needs to be repaired. Same old handle. That's cool. And inside, I replaced this fan years ago. The roof is kind of, buckled, so these whatever boards across here are pretty weak. This is the paneling I put in several years ago. So now that's got to come off, and this is the original stuff. So I don't know what that's going to look like. That was pretty water damage from water from that leaking window. The doors are pretty rotten. So I guess we're going to have to see what we can get by with. Now I know why these people paint them. This wall, this vinyl covering here, not vinyl covering, but this wood covering, veneer I put on last time I rebuilt this, 13 years ago, something. See, that's going in and out. It's got to be replaced. I think that went down to the wall. I see this matching up to it. So I don't know. Let's we get going, see what we can do. Haven't decided what to do with the front. It's got the this part, this really nice. It still has that thing hanging there. They've added a few extra coat hooks, and of course the lucky a horseshoe. We got extra. Looks like I might have made that. Not sure. Little light. I don't know if it still works. We'll have to hook a battery up. Only I don't have any place to hook a battery up, so I don't know about that either. It's gonna need all electric. That's where the refrigerator went. See, it did not have a finish like this. It had this heavy plywood over it, and had a hole up in here for the exhaust to go out. This extra wood here is my framing from years ago. Anyway, there was a thin, very thin clothes closet right here. Then the refrigerator, and it took up that whole spot. And I think that was the end of it. And then the bed was back in the back. That was the rear bed. And it had these hammock bed, I guess you would call it. That was there were 3 spots. This was the base, and then you could expand it out like 3 times. I have no idea where that piece is. I do have 2 of those little catches. And it had a cabinet over here on the opposite of the where you walk in the door. The door's over here. And you have you had a cabinet section here. There was a stove in this section, and a sink, and I believe it went to here too, about to here. Cabinet, countertop, and then some cabinets up here. Window. And then a stove vent, overhead vent. And then in the front was the booth. So you had those big red booths thing. That pile of stuff is all out there along with the red booths. There are those cushions. They're springs and horsehair. They're really comfortable. Haven't decided to put them back in, or like reimagine with a couple little barrel chairs. So we got to decide what to do with this thing. It's not leaking at the moment, so we'll have to decide. Paint may be in the option. We'll see. Okay, this is RV Jerry. That's all I have for you now.